How to clear Spotify cache on Android. To clear the cache of Spotify app, users have to open the Spotify application. Make sure to log in on your Spotify application's account and then select the top left corner's profile icon of your Spotify account. And here you need to select settings and privacy page. On the settings page, scroll all the way down and select storage option. On this storage section, you will see all the apps storage, download storage, cache storage, and the free storages. So as you can see on my Spotify account, the downloads and cache has 0.0 MB space. So in order to clear this Spotify cache, you just have to select clear cache button and the confirmation box has appeared. You just have to select clear cache, and in this way you can easily clear Spotify cache on Android. There is a second method as well. This was within the app, but you can also go to your device settings and then search for apps, open it, and then select app management. Here you can easily search for a Spotify application with the help of the search bar at the top of the screen and open the app info page of Spotify. And on this page here you will see storage users, open it, and the cache option is also here. You need to simply tap on clear cache, and this way also you can easily clear Spotify cache on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.